In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a report from Kreo to your PC using Google Chrome. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect, so you can download your report without any confusion. Start by opening Google Chrome. In the address bar at the very top of the browser, type Kreo.net, then press Enter on your keyboard. Give the page a moment to load. You should see the Kreo home screen. Look for the Login option and click it to go to the Sign In page. On the login screen, enter your email and your password, then click Login. Make sure you're using the correct account for the project you want to access. If you use a password manager, let it fill in your credentials securely and avoid typing sensitive information when screen sharing. After you sign in, you'll land on or have access to the dashboard. Click Dashboard to open it if you're not already there. The dashboard is your main hub, where you can see an overview of your work and quickly jump into specific projects. Next, click your project name to open that project. If you have multiple projects, take a second to confirm you're selecting the correct one, especially if several have similar names. Once the project loads, you'll see its navigation options. Go to Reports. This section gathers report outputs and sheets related to your project, making it the place to retrieve finalized or in-progress reporting. Inside, locate and select the report sheet you want to export. Think of the report sheet as the specific report or tab you need, such as a summary, a detailed breakdown, or a particular category. Click it to make sure it's the active selection. Now look to the top left of the interface for the three dots icon, sometimes called the More Options menu. Click that icon, then choose the Export to Download option. This tells Kreo to generate the file and save it to your computer's default Downloads folder. Depending on the size of the report, the export may take a few moments. You'll typically see the download appear at the bottom of Chrome or in the browser's download tray. Once the download completes, open your Downloads folder to find the file. From there, you can rename it, move it to a project folder, or share it with your team as needed. If you don't see the file right away, try refreshing the Downloads view or checking Chrome's download history to confirm it finished. That's it. You've logged in, navigated to your project, opened reports, selected the report sheet, and exported it straight to your PC. Thanks for watching, and happy reporting.